Good afternoon. All are good? Offline students also? Yes, long time no see. Yes. Okay. Why are we all here today? Or why am I here today? Front end. What is front end, guys? Anna, please, technical, no. From your mouth, don't tell technical. I will tell technical. You just, who said the answer? You said, okay. You don't tell technical. You just tell it in very simpler words so that I can understand. Whatever I want to say, I will tell in technical. Okay? Online students, done. Online students, visual appearance of a web page or app. Okay? Fine. Which topic? Front, which has no end. Which has end, which does not have. Which has end. Okay? So in this front-end technologies, what and all you will be learning? In this front-end technologies, what and all will you be learning? Okay? You people will be learning something called as HTML. Yes, then CSS. Okay, then JavaScript. Okay, then React.js, Node.js. Okay, React.js. Okay, these and all you people will learn. Yes or no? But why this front end is required? For what reason? See, already you people will write the code. You people will write the code. You people will write the code, and that much is enough. The application will work, that much is enough. Then why this front end? Why front end? Okay, at least tell me what is the difference between front end and back end? Can you tell me the difference between front end and back end? Don't tell me, man, here I will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, back end I will use Java, Python, C#, Ruby, whatever programming language. Can you people tell me what's the difference between front end and back end? Forget about technical things. Forget about technical things. I will really teach from very basics. From the IE, I will teach you. Okay. So don't get panicked. First of all, guys, I request you people to smile once. Smile, madro. Sir, you smile. You smile. Smile, no. See, those two twins, I really love them a lot. They will be always smiling. And her also. And her also. Others, I don't even find them smiling. If you people don't smile, no, you know what I will feel standing here? Standing here, I will feel that I am telling something irrelevant, or I am going out of the box and I am teaching something blunder here. So at least some reaction at the bere reaction could be some reaction. Happy face, don't give angry face, don't squint your eyes, don't do that. At least some smile. Okay, clear? Done. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಕ್ರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ನಾನೇ ನಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಗ್ತೀರಾ? ನಂಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಗಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay, yeah. Now tell me, what do you mean by front end? Online students, the back end data stores logical things. Front end is where where user interacts. I don't want this. Front end, guys, if I take an example of YouTube, you people are aware of this? You people are aware of YouTube? So if I consider this as my YouTube application, so if I consider this as the YouTube web page, okay, so now which bar is this called as? What bar is this called as? Don't say MRP. What bar is this? This bar is called as what bar? It is called as taskbar. And you have another bar. What is that called as? Yeah, you people have something called as search bar. Ma'am, I know this, ma'am. But there are few students who doesn't even know this also. So let me start with the basics, okay? So now, when you see a YouTube page, here you will be having, if you search for some videos here, you will be having, means where the video will play. You will be having it here. And and you will be having something called as description list. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? You will have something called as description list. Clear till here? So, ma'am, what is front end? Front end is nothing but by using those languages, it will make your web page look beautiful in a structured manner. Which will make your web page look beautiful in a structured manner. That's all. Simple. It's very simple. Some people are telling user interface, that interface, this interface, no need. Simple terms, what is front end? It is nothing but which will look your website or web page, look in a what manner? This will look in a structured manner, which will be in a structured manner with color designs. Okay. Yes, come check. You're excused. Okay. It will display your web page in a styling manner or in a structured manner. This is front end. Then what is back end? Use this example only. You got to know what is front end. Yes. Now you people tell me what is back end. Don't say, sir. Okay, that is also correct. But which is what and all are your backend languages? The backend languages are what and all? HTML. Hey, HTML front end. Oh. SQL. SQL. SQL is database, bro. This is your favorite subject. Then you have something called as Python. Then you have something called as C#. Yes or no? Many more languages you have. Yes. What is this backend is nothing but now if I have to develop this YouTube application, first of all, by using any programming languages, the developer will write the code. Yes or no? Is that code visible to you people? Is it visible to you people? Or is your database visible to you people? It's not visible. Sorry, ma? You want me to explain it from first? Okay. Backend is nothing but, as I said, you people, you know the backend languages are Java, Python, C#, C, any programming languages you take. By using that only, you will be developing the backend. Yes or no? What is this backend? Is nothing but, for an example, today you want to develop one application called as Instagram. Ma'am, Instagram is already developed, ma'am. Consider that today you want to build one Instagram application. Okay. So now what will happen? Now consider that you have a software company here. Today I am a customer. If I want a bike means I'll go to bike showroom. If I want lipstick means I cannot go to grocery shopping. Yes or no? The same way, if I want one, so this will be your software. This will be your software. If I want a software to be developed, where will I go? Obviously, I'll not go to my mama mane. I will go to a software company. Yes or no? So when I go to a software company, first of all, as you people have come here to become what? Full stack developers. No? Developers. You people want to become developers. So who will write the code? Obviously, you people will only write the code. So backend is nothing but the developer will be using any one of the programming languages and he will be developing this Instagram application. Ma'am, how will he develop this Instagram application? First of all, if you take this Instagram page, okay, first of all, if this Instagram page has to work, first of all, if this Instagram page has to work, which is the first very feature you have to develop. Online students, are you people getting it? My dear online students? Online students? Yes. Are you people getting it? My question is, you have this Instagram application. Today, consider that you people are developers. Okay. I am a customer. I am coming and telling you people that I want Instagram application to be developed. Okay. So being a developer, which is the first very feature you are going to develop if you get one application. Huh? Blueprint and house construction. Guys, very simple. You people have heard this, no? Sign in, sign up, sign down, everywhere you have heard this, no? So first of all, when you click on this feature, sign in, there only you will get no full name, last name, date of birth, location, everything. So this is the very first feature he has to develop. Yes or no? After that, in this, what will he develop? If this is your web page, so what and all you will have here? You will have username. Yes or no? You will be having password. Yes. And then you will be having two buttons. That is login button and cancel button. Yes or no? Ide tane ella application allu irodu. Online students, the same application is only there everywhere. Do you have, okay, if you take Snapchat, do you have any other extra feature in the sign up or login? Now, first of all, tell me what is the difference between login page? What is the difference between login page and welcome page? What is the difference between login page and welcome page? What is the difference? You people don't know the difference. Though you people have used Instagram, Snapchat, that chat, this chat, all chats, you people do not know what is the difference between login page and welcome page. If anyone is aware about what is login page or welcome page, can you people enlighten me? So that even I get to know the difference between what is login and what is welcome. Welcome means what? They'll put mat and they'll say come inside. Huh? No. No. Login means I don't know how to relate this. Yeah. Can you tell me what is the difference between login page and welcome page? My dear online students, login is we need to enter our details to enter welcome page. Without login. Okay. Guys, first of all, keep one thing in mind. There is no difference between login page and welcome page. There is no difference between login page and welcome page. If you people have used your old, very, very old application, that is your Facebook application. Facebook application. When you go there, when you go to your Google and type facebook.com, what page you will get? They will say something like, if this is your web page, it will say, welcome to Facebook, and you will have username, password, then login button and cancel button. Yes or no? If I take the same you have welcome here only. Login is also here. The same username, the same password, the same login button, the same cancel button. Then what is the difference between login and welcome? There is no difference. Login andru onde, welcome andru onde. Appa andru appane, amma andre ammane. Okay, done. Clear? Got to know the difference between login page and welcome page. So I was talking about backend. So what is backend? Backend is nothing but the developer will be using any one of the programming languages and he will be developing that particular website. And he will be developing that particular website. We are with front end and back end. Any doubts? Any doubts? My dear online students, can you please repeat? What do you want me to repeat? Login page and welcome page. Monty. Okay, login page and welcome page is nothing but there is no difference between login page and welcome page. See, if suppose I consider this as my Facebook page, okay, I will go to Google and I will type www.facebook.com. Okay, so now what will happen is, see, the same thing will be displayed here. Welcome to Facebook, and you will be having a username here. Yes or no? You will be having a password and you will be having login button and cancel button. Yes or no? So whether you type welcome page or login page, it's one and the same. You will have the same feature. You will have username, you will have password, you will have login button, and you will have cancel. Clear? Monty, clear? Monty? Reply soon. Yes, okay. So someone was asking, ma'am, tell the definition of backend. Can you all tell me what is the definition of backend? Tell no. Soon, fast. Count down, madla. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, bro. Guys, tell backend. Is the definition so much difficult? Huh? The developer will be using which language? He will be using any one of the programming language, and he will be developing that particular website or web application. Yeah, that is in general. This is in my terms. That's to make you people understand. I am telling it in simpler words. If you see, if suppose in an interview they ask you what is the difference between front end and back end, never tell the definition. Never ever say the definition. Instead of that, take one example like this and explain it to him. Yes. The same with front end also, the same with back end also. Clear? Done? Okay. Now, let us get into our front end technologies. And the first subject which you will be learning in that is which one? What ML? What is HTML? Hypertext markup language. What is hypertext markup language? Don't. Who is CS students here? CS students. Please raise, show your beautiful faces, no? Wow, great. Girls? CS. Huh? Mapping. What you will map? Okay, that is also correct. So now, let us start with the very first topic, that is your, very first subject, that is your HTML. What is HTML? What is HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Clear? Hypertext markup language. Before getting into HTML, let me introduce something called as introduction to web applications. Introduction to web applications. Please take down this heading. Please, guys, I request you people to maintain a separate book. Please, maintain a separate book. And I have a very bad habit of checking your notes. You may think that, ma'am, I've child, ma'am, bandil notes check madake. Whatever it is, I will check your notes one day. Okay, you will get a sudden shock. Then don't tell me, ma'am, you didn't tell me to write the notes only. Okay, please. Clear? Take down the heading as Introduction to Web-Based Applications. So before getting into what is web-based application, let me take a very small example. Okay, let me take a very small example. Here, what is this, guys? What is this? Monitor, computer, only. It is looking like a monitor only, no? Online students, it is looking like monitor only, no? Is it looking like something else? No? Yeah, one is big and one is small, I know that. So, consider that you have two computers. So, let me name this computers, okay? I will name this as computer 1 and this one I'll name it as computer 2. Ma'am, what is there in that? 1 or 2, that's all. But now let me consider that, okay, if I have to differentiate between computer 1 and computer 2, how will I differentiate? Can I say something with OS? Yes. Can I say something with the manufacturer also? man anta baritini neevu hange barkobidri. Okay, take it as illa nane barbidu. There is something called as manufacturer. Okay, now let me consider computer 1. Computer 1 is developed by which company? Tell some company, no? Windows. Windows is OS, baba. Samsung a laptop ittora. Computer they've left. I seriously don't know. Okay, LG. And let me consider this computer 2 is from Dell. DL. LL. So, as I said, I took one example saying you have computer 1 and computer 2. I said differentiate between these two. So I took that this computer 1 is manufactured by LG and this computer 2 is manufactured by Dell. Okay, good. What is there in that? Now, let me consider that this computer 1 is manufactured by LG and computer 2 is also manufactured by LG. Now tell me, how will you differentiate? Don't say RAM size, ROM size, pixel, that this. Don't tell that. Now tell me, how will you differentiate between this one and this one? Temperature. Guys, this is computer, not human body. Why will you measure temperature here? The online students, yes, Prasanna Kumar, you're absolutely right. We will be using or we will be differentiating from computer 1 to computer 2 by writing, what is I? What starts from I? What starts from I, guys? Ice cream Allah. This IP address. Yes or no? This computer 1 will have a different IP address. This computer 2 will also have a different IP address. Now tell me, what is IP address? What is IP address, guys? Don't tell me the definition. What? Anna, internet protocol nangu gottu. I'm in general asking what do you mean by IP address? IP address is nothing but numbers. IP address is nothing but numbers. How will you represent this IP address? Numbers ella correct agotilla. Some you will have some random number. Okay. Now, how to get this IP address? How to get this IP address from my own computer? How to get this IP address? You will use something called as, so if I have to get the IP address, I will go to some prompt, that is prompt. It is called as prompt. PROMPTL. I will go to command prompt, and what command am I going to pass? I will tell hey command prompt, give the IP address. Will you say like this? Then who is saying? Hey, okay. So you will be using the command called as IP config. When you type this, you will get your IP address of both the computers. Yes, clear? Now you got to know what is IP address. Yes or no? Ishdina yaru gothirlilla IP address andre enu anta. Who didn't know that? Genuinely raise your hands. Who didn't know what is IP address? Nimgella gottita? Others? Everyone knew? Okay, good. Please copy this down. Muni Sai, you have raised your hand. What do you want to say? Nothing. Okay. Arun Reddy, why are you saying no for what? You don't want me to take the class, sir? Arun Reddy.
I don't know the definition of IP.
Anna, please reply. No reply. Okay, don't reply. Okay, guys. Shall I continue? Yes or no? So now, your IP address ranges from what value to what value? Your IP address ranges from 0 to 255. Done? Done. Now, now again consider that I have computer 1 and I have computer 2. Okay. I have two computers, that is computer 1 and you have something called as computer 2. Okay. I have two computers. Now, consider that I have a file inside computer 1. Now, consider that I have a file, document beda. I have a file inside computer 1 and let me mention this as, what will I mention as? Some name, you tell some name, no? Java. Who said Java? You. Who said? You. You. This is which class? Who said you? Who said? This is which class? Which class? This is which class, ma? Java anta education. So I will take something called as destination.txt. What is txt? It is a text file. Now consider that I want to transfer this destination text file into computer 2. How will I transfer? You want water? Yeah. How will you transfer the file which is present in my computer 1 to computer 2? Till now, you people know now many applications. Huh? Email. Okay. See, if you talk, file manager. Okay. Let me come to first. Let me come to 80s generation. Okay. At that time, how you were transferring the files? Forget about 80s. Okay. Let me come to 90s. Okay. In my 90s generation, if I had to transfer any file from computer 1 to computer 2, what you people used to do? Hey, it is very famous, Ra. In Instagram and all, it's very famous. Yes, pen drive, it's very famous. So now you used to transfer it with either pen drives or Bluetooth, hard disk. Okay, yes, hard disk. Okay, other than that, online students, other than that, floppy. What is floppy, Ra? Floppy disk. Okay, what is telephone? Oh, telephone. Bro, this is computer, bro. I cannot fix telephone to this. Telegram. Okay, I'm really sorry, Shubham. Telegram. Bro, talking about which Telegram? This, you people chat know that Telegram, huh? CD, okay, CD is correct. I didn't understand which Telegram. Telegram means, are you telling like facts or something? Shubham, are you talking about facts? I don't know which Telegram. Telegram is a new type of I know Telegram is a new type of transfer media, but I'm talking about 90s. 90s al Telegram itta. Telegram illi, there was no Facebook at all. Facebook ittu. You did not have any Instagram or WhatsApp. Yes or no? True. So now, okay, whichever you want to use, you use. But if I come around 2020s, okay, if I come around 20s, so if I had to transfer from computer 1 to computer 2, I was lending a cable here. Cable tara illa gotto, just like pipe. You were lending a cable and in this cable you were passing something, not passing, you were using something called as what? Something called as what? You people. You people are very famous. Without this, you people will not live at all. It is nothing but internet. Yes or no? So what is internet? It is nothing but a medium which connects two different computers or two different users. Okay, clear? UI. Okay, so now you people got to know what is internet. Okay, now have you heard something called about intranet? Intranet. Ma'am, internet bagene net gotilla. You are going to intranet. Yes, no? Yes, sir? Yes or no, guys? Hey, if you want to scold me, also scold on my face. I will never bother. So now, what was I talking about? Yeah, intranet. So, can you people tell me the difference between intranet and internet? Ma'am, this is intra, this is inter. That is the difference. Yes, sir. That is intra, this is inter. Are the difference? Online students, is that the difference? Within and external connections inside a company. Why you can't connect inside house? You cannot connect inside house. Only company only you have to go and connect. Okay, guys. Now, again, let me go back to my 60s. 60s beda tumba jasti agoytu. Let me go to my 70s. In 70s, consider that you had one kingdom here. I don't know to draw kingdom da. Okay, let me draw like this. Cake agoytala. Correct? Good? Yeah. Consider that you have one kingdom here. Consider you have one kingdom here and you have another kingdom. Okay. So, if I had to pass any information from kingdom 1 to kingdom 2, what and all was I using? What was I using? Now tell. Different colorful answers. Pigeon, kage, gube, what is the peacock? So can I say the first medium to send the information from one kingdom to another kingdom was nothing with birds? Yes or no? Birds and yella birds alla. Only pigeon they used to do. And then after that, it got more upgraded. Then they were sending horse. Horse the consider neither the horse will come nor the information will pass to that kingdom. Yes or no? Horsemen. Then okay, he comes under horsemen only. Other than that, how they used to send? How they used to send? Online students, how they used to send? Obviously, it's ashte ad medium irado. There's nothing else. Okay. So now consider that. Okay, ma'am, in olden days, they were using that one. Okay. Now consider I have 3 persons here. Okay. Consider I have 3 persons here in one country. Let me consider this as which country? First of all, Mera Desh Mahan. That is India. Okay. I'll consider another country. Which is your favorite country? Don't say Goa. Tell me. Next country. Nepal. Yeah, next country. Online students, can you tell me one? Pakistan. Who anta anbardu? It is also a country. So okay, Thailand. No, I will take good things. I will take USA, and you have another country where there are 3 persons. Forget about persons. Let me consider you have 3 computers. Okay, and this is your Germany. Okay, here also let me consider 3 computers. My handwriting is very kachada. Don't worry. But I'm writing something which you people can understand, no? Okay. So now, if I had to establish network within the country, same like this only. I used to lend cables. Yes or no? No cables is good, no? I used to lend cables. Yes or no? That was inside my country. Yes. So that is nothing but called as intranet. It is nothing but called as intranet. Next, again here also, I will lend the cables. So here also I am using intranet. And here also, again I will lend cables. And this is called as intranet. Correct? Then now you people only tell me what is intranet. Establishing the connection within your area. Establishing the connection within your area is called as intranet. Intranet. What is intranet? Establishing the connection within your area. You can call this internet or as LAN also. Local area network. Clear? Clear? Yes. Now what is internet? Now I have to connect from India to Germany. What I'll do? You people will use the Skype and all, no? What is that? That is nothing but internet. That is nothing but internet. Internet, is it available only to your country? Internet, is it available only to your country? No, it is available worldwide. So, internet is nothing but which connects worldwide, or which connects from one country to another country, or a network which connects across through the world is called as internet. Clear? Clear? Done? USA, France, Los Angeles. Okay, done. Done, guys? Got to know the difference between internet and intranet? Yes? Please take this down. Guys, did you people know there is a word or terminology, something called as intranet also? You know, everyone knows everything, but when I ask, nothing will come out from the mouth. Online students, my dear sweet online students, more than offline students, I like online students because I like the way how they interact. Yes, online students? Yes. Yes. Done. Okay. Done. Now, you people now tell me what are the three main aspects? What are the three main aspects of web-based application? What are the three main aspects of web-based application? Can you tell me? What are the three main aspects of web-based application? Yes. Can you tell me this? So can I say the three main aspects which are required in building your web-based application is nothing but your front end. Next one is back end. And the next one is nothing but your database. Yes. So in your front end technologies, what and all you will be getting? Yes. So in your front end technologies, the same thing you will be getting HTML, you will be getting CSS, you will be getting JavaScript, you will be getting React.js. Yes or no? And in your backend, the same thing. What is backend? Backend is not Java. What is backend? I said you a definition, no? What is backend? Yes, everyone in one single voice. One single voice. Yes. Let me start the countdown. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Are you people understanding what you are saying only? What is backend? Backend is nothing but the developer will be using one programming language to develop a website or a web page. Okay, clear? Now, what are the different types of languages? You have your Java subject, you have your Python, you have C, you have C++, you have C#, you have Ruby, whatever you want, you write. Whichever programming languages you know, that will be used for backend. Now, for what do you get databases? You have SQL, MySQL, MySQL, PL-SQL, Oracle SQL. Yes or no? Next one, you will have something called as MongoDB. Yes or no? So what are the three main aspects? If you have to build a web-based application, I know that you people don't know what is web-based application. I will tell you. But before that, what are the three main aspects to build a web-based application? You require front-end technologies, back-end technologies, and your databases. Clear? Online students, clear? It's not MongoDB, it's MongoDB. Bro, it's MONGO, Mango. Mango season over, da. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Yes or no? Replace something, no? Okay. Now, you people tell me what is web-based application? What is web-based application? What is web-based application, guys? Can anyone tell me what is web-based application? What is web-based application? Application which uses web is called as web-based application. Yes. Online students, what is web-based application? Yeah, Amazon. Yes, Amazon is your web-based application. Web-based application is nothing but spider build madala. Web-based application is nothing but the applications which ends with .com extension. The applications which ends with .com extension. Whichever .com you use, that is your web-based application. Clear? Now you people tell me how this web-based application works. How this web-based application works. So now, for an example, let me consider I am sitting in front of my computer. I'll go to Google. And I will type www.facebook.com. I will type something called as www.facebook.com. Now what will happen? Ma'am, I typed enter, got. But what is happening in the backend? Is backend visible to you people? Backend is not visible. So what will happen? Now I go to my computer and I type the URL. So this will be called as your URL. Okay, I will type the URL saying as www.facebook.com. Why am I giving .com extension? Since it is a web-based application, I am using this .com extension. Clear till here? Yes. Now, this will send a request. What request will it send? Or it will send a request to whom? It will send a request to your server. It will send a request to your server. Which server? To which server? DNS, sir. Bro, I don't want DNS now. Now, This will send a request to the server computer. This will send a request to your server computer and it will say, display this facebook.com web page to me. Okay. From my computer, it will go to the server computer and it will fetch for this www.facebook.com application. Okay. Now what will happen? This server computer, what will it do? Response calls. This will in turn go to its database. Yes or no? The server computer will have database or not? Yes or no? This will go to its database and it will search for the domain name. Oh, forget about this. It will go to the database and it will search for this domain name. See, guys, whatever you write like this, no, www.facebook.com or any .com, okay, this is called as your domain. This is called as your domain name. Clear? This is called as your domain name. So first write till here. So that an API is a server, ma'am. No, API is not a server. So now inside the server computer, you will have another one server. Inside the server computer, you will have another one server called as web server. Yes or no? What do you mean by web server? What do you mean by web server? What do you mean by web server, guys? What topic am I teaching? Web-based application. What is web-based application? An application which has .com extension, that is called as your web-based application. Then what is your web server? See, today when you go to Google and type for any application or any website, where will that all be present? You have lakhs of applications, yes or no? Where will that be present? That will be present in your web server. Yeah, that will be present in your web server. So now what will happen? In my computer, I type www.facebook.com and it is sending a request to my web server, sorry, the server computer, and inside that server computer, I have something called as web server. And that web server is saying, okay, I'll go to my database and I will search for this domain name. Yes or no? I will search for the domain name. It will take the domain name. And it will not, as you people know, ma'am, from database it will take and it will give the response. That's all you people know. Yes or no? But this will send the response to one person. This will send a response to one person called as server side logic. That is called as server side logic. Ma'am, why the server side logic is there? Because whatever data you are getting from this database, it has to be understood by you also, no? Yes or no? First of all, there has to be some logic. Yes, so that it will apply some logic that is called as server side logic. And then what will happen? It will not directly send. It will not directly send here. If it directly sends here, no. If I consider, take this Facebook, let me take it as Amazon. Okay. Okay. It will directly not, from the server side logic, it will directly not send the response to your computer. Then what will it do? What will happen is, from my database, directly it gives the data to the server side logic. What will happen? Now, if you consider this as my web page, as you people know, now consider this is your Amazon web page. Now consider this is your Amazon web page. Okay. So now in this Amazon web page, consider that you search for something called as shirts. Okay. You will search for something called as shirts. As you people know, when you type for something, you will get some picture here with some amount and description. Yes or no? Same thing like this. Yes or no? But if it directly, see, here also you have 1%. What is that 1%? I will tell you. Before that, if it just sends to your server side logic, and it displays the output to you, when I search for shirts, you know how it will be displayed? It will be displayed like you have one picture here and you have one picture here. And I have the amount here also. I have the amount here also. I will have another one picture here. Since it is shirts means I'll not get only one shirt. Yes or no? You will get a number of options. So again, it will be in a jumbled manner. It will be in a jumbled manner. See, if you consider only these two, I have one picture of shirt here, one picture of shirt here. But the amount is not given there. How will I get to know? The amount is displayed here. I'm not saying it's not displayed. But how will I get to know whether this amount belongs to this one or this amount belongs to this one? Then what to do? Then what will happen? I cannot understand. Maybe the computer understands, but I don't understand. But I cannot understand because I'm a human being. I'm not Chitragupta or I'm not Bruhaspati. Yes or no? Yes. So now, ma'am, then to where it will give, ma'am? The server side logic. This logic will be sent to someone called as your front end. If it has to be displayed in a structured manner, it will send to your front-end technologies, means it will be using some front-end technologies language like your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then it will give the response to you people, and your Amazon page is displayed in whichever manner you people are normally using. Clear? Now, why front-end technologies is very much important? So that your output is displayed in a structured manner. Clear? Done? Online students, done? Online students, you people got to know how your web-based application works. Offline students, clear? You got to know what is server-side logic. And you people also got to know if I directly send the server-side logic code, how my output will be displayed. Yes? And the same thing if I use the front-end technologies like HTML or CSS, then my output will be displayed in a structured manner. That is only how your web-based application works. Clear? You want me to give the explanation for it? Huh? You want or you don't want? I think in an understanding manner, I have explained it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Jorag onsati. Joragi. I said everyone. ಊಟ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಡ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಡನ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವೈ ಬೇಡವಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ if I really come and check if I don't find the diagram no I will thrash you people let me check bro get one big book you are writing as though you are writing some love letter to your girlfriend ha ಒಂದೊಂದು ತರವಾದ ಮುತ್ತುಗಳು ಅಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗ್ ಬರಿಯೋ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ do you understand whatever you've written pakka okay when I ask question tomorrow if you don't answer you people will be thrown out okay. Good girls will always write no need to check nothing understand when you're speaking in other language man hey I'm speaking only in English only am I using some other language When I'm cracking jokes, sometimes what to do? My mother tongue is Kannada. Sometimes it happens. Now, from now onwards, I'll crack the jokes in English also. Okay. Done, Vijay. Vijay. No reply. Okay, you got to know how the web-based application works? Yes or no? Where are you from, ma'am? I am from Earth only. Earth. I'm not from a different planet. I'm from Earth only. I'm from Bangalore, ma. Why do I look like Chinese? Huh? No, tell me, do I look like a Chinese girl? Where's the capra? Oh, okay. Next one. From that time, if you people observe, I am saying something called as website, web page, website, web page. Yes or no? Now you people tell me, what is the difference between web page and what is the difference between website? Online students, yeah, now tell me, what do you mean by web page and what do you mean by website? I would have enjoyed and responded properly in your offline classes for sure. I'm very happy that you enjoy my classes, Jyoti. Thank you so much. Yeah, what is the difference between web page and website? ಹೇಳ್ರೋ ನಾನೇನೋ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yeah, what is the difference between web page and website? Website is a collection of web pages and web pages is a collection of website. Yes, sir. Vice versa. Now you people tell me, web page, what is web page? What do you mean by page at least? One page. Site means which contains many web pages. See, web page is nothing but a single page. A single page present in your present spelling, PRESENT. A single page which is present in what? What? A single page is called as web page. Means whenever you type some program in HTML and that page is displayed to you, that is called as web page. What is website? Website is nothing but collection of, someone said no, collection of web pages is called as collection of web pages. Collection of web pages is called as website. Clear? Got to know the difference between web page and website? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. So tomorrow if I ask you people will tell me what is the difference between web page and website? Yes, web page is nothing but it consists of only one single page. Website is nothing but a collection of many web pages is called as website. Clear? Done? Now, next one. The next one, see, before you people learned what are the three main aspects of web-based application. That was, what were those? That were front-end, back-end and databases. Yes or no? So now, you people tell me, what are the three main aspects? What are the three main aspects included in the development of website? Yeah. What are the three main aspects included in the development of website? Web-based application, you got to know front-end, back-end and database. Now, if you have to develop a website, What are the three main aspects included in this? That is nothing but your front-end technologies. That is nothing but your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now tell me, what is HTML? ಇದೊಂದೇ ಬರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಯ್ಮಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಬರೋದು. So what is HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Yes or no? Yes or no? What is CSS? CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet. Okay. What is JS? That is nothing but your Java. Clear? Okay. You people said the full form. Okay. Now, let me consider one human. Okay. Let me consider one human. I know he will not look like human, but still please adjust. ಏನದು ನಾ ಬರ್ದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Good, no? Human body. I know it's a bit rubbish, but still. Why your HTML is required? Still now I said you people, why your HTML is required? Your HTML is required to provide the structure. If I consider the same to your web-based, same in your applications, I can tell that HTML is nothing but like your skeleton for a human body. Obviously, your skeleton only provides structure to your body, right? So HTML is nothing but which provides structure to your human body. Now, what is CSS? If only a skeleton man comes in front of you, will you see him? You will run from there. No? Yes or no? So, if I have to make him more beautiful, I have to give some muscles. Yes or no? I know he's looking like balloon, but just okay. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Correct, ah? And now, ma'am, only muscles is enough. Only muscles is enough. Okay, I have another one person like this only. Then how to differentiate between them? So can I say you will be using some styles for him? If I have to differentiate between me and a boy, I will say I have long hairs. He has short hairs. Okay. Next, I will say he has some hairstyle. Wait, this is not tree. Okay. This is some hairstyle. Okay. So if he has to look more beautiful, I have to give him muscles or he has to build muscle. Yes or no? He has to have long hair, short hair, curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, whichever hair you want, you put there. And of course, main thing, he has to have eyes, no? Ma'am, pakka skeleton. Yes or no? He has to have eyes. Yes or no? Ma'am, body skeleton is there, ma'am. Muscles you have given, eyes you have given, eyebrows, eyebrows. Nose is not there, no? He will look like, okay, whatever. Okay. Yes, true. So you have given some styles. See, only a bare bone skeleton comes and stands in front of you. It will not look beautiful, but it will be in structured manner, but it is not beautiful. Yes or no? Is anyone watching black and white movies today? No, you want everything color, no? Yes or no? Everything you want color. Yes or no? The same thing in a human also. He has to have some styles. He has to have some muscles, everything. Yes or no? Having only muscles, so that is nothing but your CSS. CSS, why it is used? It is used to provide some styles. It is used to provide some styles. Now, why is your JavaScript required? To script perform actions. Just like have human body, ma'am, muscles, everything is there, but nothing is function. Nothing is getting function, ma'am. He's just like a dead body. He has to walk. He has to see. He has to talk. He has to cry. He has to laugh. Whatever he wants, he has to do. Yes or no? So, JavaScript is required for functionality. JavaScript is required for performing some functions, not in the human body. Example, I gave human body. But the same thing if you consider for your web page. The same thing if you consider for, in your technical example, if you consider HTML, as I gave you the example of your YouTube website. Yes or no? How was it? In your YouTube, you had some taskbar, you had some search bar, the video was getting played here, you had some description here. Yes or no? Description list. But if everything is there in black and white, will you see? Will you see? No. Then you will have the same YouTube, but in colorful manner. In colorful manner, the handwriting is changed. Yes or no? Everyone's handwriting is different. Same with the computer also. Yes or no? So here I will be providing some styles to the same YouTube page to display it in a colorful manner. Ma'am, how colorful, ma'am? One thing is you will be changing the colors. You will be changing the font size. You will be adding some pictures, emojis, everything. Okay. Now, why is your JavaScript required? As I said, you people to perform some functionality. Means when I search for one, I go to YouTube. I go to YouTube and I search for some video that has to play. No, that playing is only nothing but your functionality. Clear? Got to know what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, why HTML is required, why CSS is required, and why JavaScript is required. Yes? Clear? Done? Any doubts till now? Flesh of a body is CSS. Yes. Super. Okay. Very good. Yes. Clear. Nice. Good. Now you people tell me. So you people are clear with what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript. If you have to develop a website, you are supposed to have these front-end technologies. That is your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you are developing a web-based application, then you are supposed to use my front-end, back-end, and database. Clear? Done? Any doubts still here? I hope I'm not going too fast, no? If it's like that, please do let me know. Am I going fast? Sir, woman, uncle, aunties, ladies and gentlemen, understanding? Online students, are you people getting it? Am I going fast? Yes, sir. No. Okay. I got heart attack. Heart from left, it came to right and it went to back. Back to left. Okay, shall I now clear this? Okay, ma'am, you said what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, everything you wrote. But now, ma'am, already? Yes? Okay. Now, let me consider we have humans here. And humans understand only one language, that is your normal language. Yes or no? Human understands only human language. Yes or no? And now, here, you have computers. Consider that you have computers. Does computer understand human language? Then what language does your computer understand? The computer understands only one language, that is called as machinery language. Yes or no? And your humans understand only one language, that is human language. There is no other language. Don't say Marathi, Tulu, Telugu, please. Okay. Now, if the humans has to understand machinery language or the computer has to understand human language, there has to be some bridge. There has to be some mediator here. Yes or no? There has to be some mediator here. Then who is that mediator here? That mediator here is only called as your DNS. DNS is nothing but your domain This is nothing but your domain name server. This is nothing but your domain name server. Now, what is domain name server? What is domain name server? Before only I said domain name is nothing but with .com extensions. Yes or no? That is your domain name. So I will tell the definition of this domain name as which converts domain name, which converts domain names into IP address, which converts DNS, domain name server is nothing but which converts domain names into IP address, or which converts, in simpler term I can say, which converts names to numbers, which converts names to numbers. Clear with this? Clear with this? Translates the words. Yes, Sampath, you're absolutely right. Yes. So what is domain name server? How this domain name server works? Let me explain it to you tomorrow. Clear? Done? Happy that you learned something today? Everyone? Yes or no? Joshilla. Yes? Clear? So you people are done with basics. Yes? Clear? Any doubts in those basics only? Please do let me know now only. Any doubts? No? Online students, any doubts? No doubts. All clear? All clear? Yes. Okay. So tomorrow if I ask any question also, you people will answer me. Yes? Done? Okay. Okay guys, shall we end the meeting? No, I'll continue still. Yes? Done? Shall I continue or shall I stop? Huh? Say something, no? Swap. ಸಾಕಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಲೇಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ learned enough for today. Okay, just a second guys, let me share the attendance to you people. Wait, I'm sharing. 1 second, please be online, don't leave the class. No? Guys, I hope the screen is visible online. Okay. Visible now? After 4 years gap, PSC. Guys, you can call and ask the questions to the respective persons. I'm not the right person to it. Done? Okay, please scan. Guys, if your people have done with scanning, you can leave the class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Can I leave? Yes, Arun. If you have scanned the attendance, you can leave. Thank you so much. Wish you the same. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Link is not opening. Which link is not opening? Attendance link. Try to scan it again, Shubham. Vijay, Shubham, see if your friend has shared the Google Forms. Thank you, Ashika. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. My pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sampath. Hey guys, can I end the meeting? My dear students, can I end the meeting? Please reply in the chat box. Mr. MS, please turn off your camera. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.